Let's check the generation results. You can see that the green part designated as the keep core structure from the reference has been preserved. In addition, the substituent parts that included the replace atom points have been modified, and the parts that were not designated have been excluded from the structure generation. The maximum number of molecules that can be generated is 1,000, but the actual results only include molecules that satisfy the specified molecular weight range, so it does not necessarily reach 1,000. In our example, a total of 390 molecules were generated. The generated results can be exported as a CSV file, including smiles. Also, if you have the free program Data Warrior installed, you can review and filter the generated compounds through the Library Manager. So far, we have checked the molecules generated through 2D generation using Data Warrior. Additional methods for predicting the physico-chemical properties of the generated compounds and selecting them using Data Warrior will be introduced in another video.